Hi everyone, this is Wayne. I want to give you a look at my Epson printer. Let's see, I don't know if you can see it here. ET-2800 series. It's wireless, scan to computer. Got this adjustable front on it here with a touchpad. Scan there. Now, the only thing I don't like about this is that, unless I just haven't figured it out, I'm not the best tech guy in the world. You can't scan a stack that I've been able to figure out. If somebody knows a way, let me know. But otherwise, we've been real happy with this. We had another one from another company where they took over a printer, wouldn't let us use any other kind of ink or printer or printer paper except theirs. So we'll never use them again. But so far, real happy with the Epson. If you're needing a printer, very reasonable cost, this would be a good one for you. We like it well. Hey, thanks. Bye now.